Hi everyone, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today it's a July market, Monday market, 12:25 buy call generated. So green color candle open. In this chart every day, daily basis calls will generate automatic. It's an automatic buy sell calls generator. It look like a signal, so it will like a buy sell signal generator. Today 12:25 a buy call generator. Buy at 44,895 our entry point line. Straight white line from green color candle our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. It's 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. It's a 1:1 ratio of first target versus stop loss. Daily basis in live market, it will analyze market movement and generate calls in live market. Okay. Today at 895, 44,895 buy call generator. And first target range is 45,007. It's a 112 point target. Let's wait and see how it break out in live market. After 40 minutes of rally, after 40 minutes of market momentum, it finally break out the first target. Like this today call generated and break out the target, and bullish momentum continued. In next 5 minutes we can say second target range also break out. Like this today call generated and achieved both the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.